Welcome to a new consumer goods review. Today we have Magnum collection, salted caramel and glazed almonds. Carefully selected by Magnum. Looks really good. So this is some kind of new flavor. And look at the packaging. Really nice patterns on the side. Golden logo, of course, shiny. Really nice packaging design, I like this. 4 ice creams in one package. Some nutrient values. Here we go. And yeah, let's go ahead and get inside the box. Ooh, really easy to open. Nice. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We can still count. Nice. Ooh, this is new. So when it comes with the multi-pack, they put this little bit less flashy packaging, of course. I guess it's to save the resources. But when you buy the single packs like this, they really put a lot of attention to detail over there. But I guess this is the main cover and this is like secondary, so it's not that important. Let's see how it looks like. Look at that. Perfectly built. Not a single crack. Okay, let's go ahead and taste it up. Here we go. Magnum salted caramel glazed almonds. Let's see how it tastes like. The smell is the classic Magnum chocolate smell. Really good. But how does it taste like? Let's see. The chocolate, perfect. 5 out of 5. The inside, vanilla chocolate. Let's see. The salt is inside the vanilla chocolate. Salted caramel. Really nice flavor. Oh, and they actually have almonds on the cover. These are the almond pieces. You can see it a little bit on the here. Really nice. It's crunchy. When you bite the cover, the almonds create like crunch in your mouth. This is like what I like in ice cream. Crunchy ice cream. Really good. Magnum chocolate, the best chocolate ever. There's no denying it. I haven't found anything that tastes this good. Let's see how deep the caramel inside the chocolate ice cream goes. See? Those stripes, so the salted caramel goes all the way inside. But to be honest, there's not so much of it. But still, it's good flavor. It's not like overflowing with salted caramel, like some other ice creams. I think this is pretty good conservative choice of making it like. It's really creating a good combination with the vanilla ice cream. It's not too strong, but it's not too weak either. Damn, almost finished the whole ice cream already. Yeah, really solid ice cream. Maybe not the best from the Magnum, to be honest, but really solid overall. bonus points for creating crunchy chocolate with almonds. This is the best thing I like about this ice cream. But maybe the inside is a little bit boring compared to some other Magnum flavors. I mean, it's nice and conservative, like really like mild flavor inside, like. Yeah, it's a good general ice cream. Salted caramel Magnum with glazed almonds. I think this deserves like 8.5 out of 10. Not the best from the Magnum, but really solid overall. If you don't like too sweet ice cream, I think this is perfect for you, because this one doesn't have like all kind of caramel flowing around. It's really small amount of caramel, like it's a small hint of caramel inside. And I think we can see it in the nutrient values as well. Yeah, only 25 grams of sugar per 100. So that's a low amount. So this is not as many calories. Yeah, another great ice cream from the Unilever Corporation. And thanks for watching, and make sure to comment below if you like this ice cream or not. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.